Dogs. Dogs are our great friends. They are intelligent and faithful, and they have a strong spelling power. So they have been doing various kinds of useful work for us. Dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing. They help the police to catch thieves. They guide the people who cannot see clearly. They save people caught in mountain storms. Small dogs like poodles are very cute. They perform in circus shows and entertain people. They also give company to those who are lonely. No wonder a dog is our most favorite pet.